Hello, I'm Mike Vekris. Thank you for being here. If you are looking for a beautiful idea to put your fairy lights on your wedding in Greece, check out this video. Here you see a simple yet symmetrical white fairy lights application we made over a dinner table. The wooden structure was already fitted, but we took advantage of it to place the fairy lights above the table. Therefore, we didn't use any additional support. The couple, in this particular case, wanted the fairy lights to converge in the center. Finally, to complete the result, we let the fairy lights fall to the ground from the front and back, creating the feel of a light box. This is how the entire installation looked from above when it was completed.